4 in the morning, guys. Camo catfisher here. Stuck at home, in the house. No fishing. No hunting. Off work tonight. And it snowed all day and all night. Got almost a foot out there on the top of the hood of the truck. It's that nice pretty stuff too. See if we can get a picture of it. Look at it. Yeah, it's all real nice and symmetrical looking star flakes there. Real pretty. See if we can get that light, kick it out and see how much it's actually snowing. You see it fairly decent. It's coming down pretty good here still. Been doing it for a while. Old burn barrel and tree stand. Boat's hid in the shed, guys. Boat's in the shed. Hopefully we'll get some videos of that on here before too long. Get this weather to break loose. Camo Catfisher signing out.